Dum dum tanana dum dum tanana dum dum magappa.
Welcome back to RNXLO present Shankara Super Singer Season 2, a unique stay-at-home reality show. Bada Narayana was the one who composed the Brahma Sutra. Let us see our next semi-finalist for today, Madurai M. Shivaganeshan from Chennai.
Sanutanga Shri Venkateja 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 Sanutanga Shri Sanutanga Shri Venkateja Sanutanga Shri Venkateja Sanutanga Shri Venkateja Sanutanga Shri Venkateja Sanutanga Shri Garida Nida Nida Babadantutanga Shri Madhava Nida 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 Dantutanga Shri Madhava Magalida Gama Nida Babadantutanga Shri Madhava 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 Magalida Mama Madhava Magalida Gama Nida Nida Babadantutanga Shri Nida Danda Nida 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 Mani Dani Mani Dava Magalida Mama Magadava Magalida Sari Sari Gari Sari Gama Gari Sari Gama Bani Dava Dava Ma Badani Dava Dani Dada Dani Dada Dani Dani Dada Badani Dani Gari 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 Gama Gari Dani Gari Dani 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 Gari Dani 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 Dava Dani Dani Dava Madallo Tanga Shri Venkateja Sanutanga Shri.
That was a splendid performance. Want to see him in the finals? Type S2 space contestant code and send it to us on 9880677833. Let us see what our judge Manasi ma'am has to say about his performance.
What do I say? You have music oozing out of you. There's so much creativity and originality, a lot of manodharma in your singing, and within 3 minutes itself you were able to showcase so much of your creative ideas. Some of the phrases in the Raga Alapana and in the Kalpana Swara were very, very imaginative, and I really enjoyed listening to it. If there was only one thing that I could ask, and I'm very demanding, the listener sometimes needs a little bit of calm in the middle, like just one phrase where and then leave half avartanam, giving the listener enough time to digest all the torrential phrases that you have just sung. Overall, of course, you're a brilliant singer and I enjoyed listening to you. Maybe some of these smaller nuances you can take care of. All the best.
Thank you ma'am for your comments. Let us see what our judge Shanti ma'am has to say about his performance.
Beautiful rendition of the Alapana. The flow of swaras were brilliant, and the composition and the Neravel were all rendered very well. In fact, a very good rendition. All the best.
Thank you ma'am for your comments. Let us see what our judge Mahati ma'am has to say about his performance.
பிரமாதமான சண்முகப்பிரியா, ஃபென்டாஸ்டிக். அதாவது எனக்கு ஒரு சின்ன டவுட். இஃப் யூ கேன் கிளாரிஃபை திஸ், ப்ராபப்ளி நெக்ஸ்ட் யூ கேன் இண்டிவிஜுவலி ஃபேஸ்புக்கில் எனக்கு மெசேஜ் பண்ணலாம், இல்லைன்னா இமெயில் கூட அனுப்பலாம். ஆர் யூ நாதஸ்வர வித்வான் ஆர் டு யூ லேர்ன் ஃப்ரம் அ நாதஸ்வர வித்வான் இஸ் மை டவுட். பிரில்லியன்ட் பிடிகள், அதாவது approach towards the Shanmugapriya is typically a Nadaswara approach, and really enjoyed. ரொம்ப நல்லா இருந்தது சங்கத்தியோட ரெண்டிஷன்ஸ் எல்லாமே. மேல பாடும்போது இந்த நேசல் சவுண்ட் கொண்டு வராம பாடினா இன்னும் ரொம்ப நல்லா இருக்கும். பிகாஸ் ஐ மீன் சண்முகப்பிரியா அதான் ஆரம்பிச்சதுல இருந்து கடைசி வரைக்கும் ஒரு குத்தம் கூட சொல்ல முடியாது அந்த ராகத்தை பத்தி. அந்த நேசாலிட்டி மட்டும் கொஞ்சம் கம்மி பண்ணா நல்லா இருக்கும். அதுவும் எஸ்பெஷலி மேல் ஸ்தாயில பாடுறச்ச நேசல் விட கொஞ்சம் கூட ஓப்பன் த்ரோட்டட்னஸ் கொண்டு வந்தா இன்னும் ரொம்ப நல்லா இருக்கும். ரியலி ரொம்ப என்ஜாய் பண்ண இந்த சண்முகப்பிரியாவை.
Thank you ma'am for your comments. Let us see our next semi-finalist for today, Raksha Shankara Narayanan from Mumbai.
करुणाया
performance. To vote for Raksha, type S2 space contestant code and SMS it to us on 9880677833. Let us see what our judge Shanti ma'am has to say about her performance.
You started off with a brief alapana in Pantuvarali. The swaras were well rendered. It was a nice rendition, but you exceeded the time. All the best.
Thank you ma'am for your comments. Let us see what our judge Mahati ma'am has to say about the performance.
Pantuvarali, Sarasaksha. Manodharma Sangeetam is something that we have to sit and sing, and then you get the flow. So it is not, it cannot be taught. You can just be guided to practice it. So the flow will come as you practice loads, the ragam and all that. You need a lot more of practice so that you get the flow for it.
Thank you ma'am for your comments. Let us see what our judge Manasi ma'am has to say about the performance.
You have a nice solid voice which is suited to classical music, and I like the way that each time you sang bhamini bhamini, each time keeping your mouth open and not bhamini. So those are all very good things. Your nerval, I felt, needs a bit of work. In my opinion, nerval is the hardest part of classical music because it needs tala, raga, shruti, bhava, everything put together. Not to say you didn't sing well, you sang well, but I feel you had the potential to sing it even better. So work on the nerval portion. Overall, it was a competent rendition. All the best.
Thank you ma'am for your comments. Whom did Gandhari curse? Let us see the answer after a small break.
Dum dum tanana dum dum tanana dum dum magappa. Dum dum tanana dum dum tanana dum dum magappa.
Welcome back to Arun XLO present Shankara Super Singer Season 2, a unique stay-at-home reality show. Gandhari cursed Sri Krishna as he was held responsible for killing all the Kauravas. Let us see our next semi-finalist for today, Trivandrum S. Bharati from Chennai.
కావేరీ తీరమునను పవనమగు రంగపురిని కావేరీ తీరమునను పవనమగు రంగపురిని కావేరీ తీరమునను పవనమగు రంగపురిని కావేరీ కావేరీ తీరమునను పవనమగు రంగపురిని కావేరీ తీరమునను కావేరీ తీరమునను పవనమగు రంగపురిని కావేరీ తీరమునను పవనమగు రంగపురిని కావేరీ సరి సనిద కావేరీ తీరమునను పదని సరి గరి సని దని కావేరీ పదమప గమని దబమ కావేరీ దబమ గమ పదని బని దబమ గమ పదని దబమ కావేరీ పదని సని దని సని సని దని దబని దబమ పమగ మబద కావేరీ daba maga ma ba ni da ni da daba ma ba ma ga ri ga ma ba ma ga ri ga ma ba ma ba da da ba da ni da daba ma ga ve daba ma ga ni da ma ga ri sa ri ga ma ba da ni daba ma da ni daba ma ga ma ba da ni da ba da ni da ni da ri da ni da ri da ni da 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 ga ri da ni da ni da ri ga ri da ni da ni da ni da ni da ri da ni da ni da ga ri da ni ga ri da ni ni ga ri da ni da ba ma da ni da ba ma ka ve ri.
That was a wonderful performance. To vote for her, type S2 space contestant code and SMS it to us on 98806 77833. Let us see what our judge Manasi ma'am has to say about the performance.
I enjoy your singing very much. There's a certain professionalism about the way that you sing. It was calm, it was collected. Whatever you presented with conviction, and I enjoyed your singing. It had everything in the requisite proportion. The only thing that I felt was you didn't sing much in the Tarasthai at all, be it in the Nerval or in the Kalpanaswaram. And in a format like this, where you've got to show everything that you've got in a short duration, I felt some more of sa zari zari za zari za da madani za zani ga za da 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 ri ri ka ri ni da ma re ta ri za da da ni zari ga ri ga ma ga ri za da. So a little more in the Tarasthai would have made it a little brighter, but overall it was a good presentation.
Thank you ma'am for your comments. Let us see what our judge Shanti ma'am has to say about the performance.
Brilliant rendition of Todi. The Alapana was very well rendered, followed by the composition and Neraval, Swaras, everything. The variations were very well shown, and the flow was very good, and I thoroughly enjoyed your singing. Very good rendition.
Thank you Shanti ma'am for the comments. Let us see what our judge Mahati ma'am has to say about the performance.
என்ன பிரமாதமான தோடி, சபாஷ். ரொம்ப நல்லா இருந்தது. ராகம் ரொம்ப என்ஜாய் பண்ணேன். கீர்த்தனை ரெண்டிஷன் ரொம்ப நல்லா இருந்தது. நிறவல் நல்லா இருந்தது. ஓவராலா ரொம்ப நீட்டா ப்ரெசென்ட் பண்ணியிருக்கேன். மேல பாடும்போது உங்களுக்கு ஒரு சின்ன ஒரு பயம், ரெஸ்ட்ரிக்ஷன் எல்லாம் இருக்கு. அதை மட்டும் ஓவர் கம் பண்ணிட்டா இன்னுமே பிரமாதமா இருக்கும். ப்ராப்ளி 5.5, ஐம் நாட் ஷுர், 5 நினைக்கிறேன். 5. So sa sa sari ga ma pa, same magnitude. If you maintain, it will be very great. Pa da ni da ba ma pa ga ma pa da ni sa da da ga ni sa ni ga ma ga ri sa. மேல பாடும்போது அதே மேக்னிடியூட், ப்ராப்ளி இன்னும் கொஞ்சம் புஷ் கொடுத்தாதான் அந்த நோட்ஸ் அவ்வளவு கிளியரா கேட்கும். ஸோ அது மட்டும்தான் ஓவராலா ரொம்ப நீட்டா ரொம்ப அழகா இருந்தது.
Thank you ma'am for your comments. Time now to learn more about Carnatic music forms. Isai Peruli Sangeeta Natak Academy winner Saket Ram has come up with a series on Carnatic music. Let us cross over with Saket.
I'm happy to welcome Shri Maile Karthikeyan to crossover. Shri Maile Karthikeyan is one of the foremost Nagaswara Vidwans of today, and he is making great waves in the Carnatic music world. Let's hear him play. Wow, what a stunning piece of Nagaswaram rendition by Shri Maile Karthikeyan. this ring a bell? Haven't we heard this piece somewhere? This is in fact the most catchy part of the song Omana Penne from the film Vinai Thandi Varuvaya. This form of creative Carnatic music is called Alapanai. Raga Alapana is the most important form of Carnatic music. It's freestyle singing or freestyle playing. There is no talam, there is no rhythmic accompaniment. And this ragam is called Bilahari. You would have heard this ragam in the film Unnal Mudiyum Thambi, where Gemini Ganeshan sir was called Bilahari Marthandan. The Nagaswaram tradition is without any inhibitions. It's just explorative to the core. Several greats like G.N. Balasubramaniam, Shemangudi Srinivas Iyer, till today's legendary Vidwans have been inspired by Nagaswara Vidwans, such as Rajaratnam Pillai, Karakurichi Arunachalam sir, and I'm no different. I continue to be inspired by such Nagaswara great Vidwans such as Sri Maile Karthikeyan. Let's see how vocal music can adopt some of the practices from Nagaswara tradition, such as long akara phrases, breath control, and glides, which is called jaru. Tadarana It was such a pleasure having a wonderful exchange between us, Sri Karthikeyan. Thank you for coming over to Crossover.
Thank you for having me.
Let's cross over together in the next episode.
That was an informative segment. Time now to end the episode. This is Nitya Hari signing off from Arun XLO present Shankara Super Singer Season 2, a unique stay-at-home reality show. Namaste.
Dum dum tanana dum dum.